Samsung recently launched two new foldable smartphones in India. While the expensive one, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, is quite similar to its predecessor, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. What we are excited about is this, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. It gets a new style, new form factor actually, and we are going to unbox it right now in front of you. Let's see how it goes. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 is Samsung's lightest fold ever, weighing just around 201 grams. It comes with a wider cover display that's easier to use, just like a regular smartphone, making typing, scrolling, and one-handed use far more comfortable. When you open it up, you get a 7.6-inch AMOLED display with smooth 120Hz refresh rate. The crease is less noticeable, the screen is brighter, and the tablet-like aspect ratio makes multitasking, gaming, and content consumption even better. It is powered by the same chipset as the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, paired with up to 16GB RAM and storage up to 1TB. So whether you are editing videos, playing games, this aspect ratio feels quite familiar. On the camera front, the Z Fold 8 features a dual 50MP camera on the camera front. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 features dual 50MP rear cameras with upgraded imaging capabilities. It draws its power from a 4800 mAh battery that is promised to last all day. When it comes to connectivity features, it also gets Wi-Fi 7, NFC, and UWB, making it future ready. It runs on One UI 9 based on Android 17 out of the box and comes with new Galaxy AI feature that makes the foldable experience much better. I have only used the device for a while. For a longer review, stay tuned to News 24.